Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to be working on TL. So before I get started, the update with the TL is that it's finally bagged. Everything's all good, all the wiring is all correct and everything like that. And then, I'm going to be sticking with these wheels. I was about to sell them, but they actually look pretty good in my personal opinion after I bagged this. So I basically fell in love with the wheels again. Because these wheels are just very common. Up next, for my next modification list, other than like get my transmission mount replaced and my lower ball joints, after that I should be taking this car to alignment first and then work on the performance exhaust. So the performance exhaust will be the last thing I do to this car, and then I can focus a little bit more on the interior. And I'm not trying to do too much, but I'm trying to focus on detail now. So speaking of detail, we're gonna go get started on restoring the headlights.
That was Rain-X, and the reason why I went with this is because they come with sandpaper. So basically I put them in wire just to soak right now. So this should go for $20 at Walmart, I believe. $17 or $20, I don't remember. So it comes with its own drill bit to use, and then its own polish mesh, sandpaper, of course instructions, and then gloves, and its own wipes and protecting sealant and buffering. So I'll show you guys the process on how this works, and you might need that drill included. Not included as well. So I'm gonna get some microfiber, and then I'm gonna do one side to show you guys the difference. So here is this side. So it's really hazy, if you guys could see. So, and then this side as well. This one's really hazy. So we're just gonna start off on this side to see how it starts, or to see how it looks. And definitely I saw some reviews on this, so I got to try it out. So let's get started. Alright, so this is a difference when you do it compared to this side. Yeah, you can see how hazy this one is compared to this one. So in instructions it said that to leave this dry for 1 hour, and then or up to 8 hours. Well, it looks good already right now, but we'll see how it looks afterwards. And this is the before. You can't really see the inside of it compared to this one, so a huge difference. Let's see how it looks when it's dried. So fast forward to 1 hour to 8 hours.